Do you know how to create, rename, delete, zip, and protect your files or folder in Windows? Let's learn everything step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Windows Learning Series, Part 6. In today's video, we will learn how to create folders and files, rename, delete, zip, and protect them with a password. This is a very important feature for daily computer use, so watch till the end to become more confident with Windows. Let's create a folder. Right-click on Desktop, click New, select Folder. Now a new folder is created. Want to change folder name? Right-click on Folder, click Rename, type new name and press Enter. To delete any file or folder, select the file, press Delete key on keyboard, or right-click gives click delete. Windows does not give direct password protection for folders, but you can use these methods. Method 1. Use zip password. Right-click folder, click send to gives compressed zip folder. You can create new file in the folder. Go right-click and select new, then select any file accordingly. I am selecting here txt file. Boo! If you select zip folder and try to create file, you cannot, because of folder in protect by zip. Before need to create any file, you need to attach zip file or folder, then can create. So, I have to extract the folder first. Select and right-click on the zip folder, and select Extract All. Click on Browse and select Path Desktop. Folder is here. Now, select Extracted Folder and double-click on it and open, and create new file. I am creating txt file. That major difference between normal folder and zip folder. By right-click will show these option. If hold Shift plus right-click, then show all available option. Method to protect folder with password small notepad code. Let us create a folder so that we can check it, how it's work. Let us create a folder so that we can check it, how it's work. I have created a folder and in the folder create a txt file. Will protect folder so that now one can access folder resources. Created abc.txt file in the folder also. Copy notepad code file in the same folder which want to lock. Open folder lock code file and add secure password and save as, then give file name lock. Bat and select file type all files and save it. Close this text code file. Now we have one bat file in the same folder for lock or unlock this folder. When you double click on this lock file, it will create private folder and we will copy all file in the private folder. Then double-click on the lock file again. It asks for lock folder, just type letter Y. Folder will lock and hide as like this file, but lock file will be there so that you can unlock folder later. Just by double-click on the lock file. Now, you can open and edit your files, then follow same for lock. So today we learned how to create folder, rename, delete, zip folder, folder or file protect with password. In the next video, we will learn about File Explorer in detail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.